Did you know that the foods you eat could be the key to keeping your legs strong, healthy, and pain-free as you age? In today's video, we will reveal the secrets of 3 powerful foods that can transform your health and mobility. And at the end, I'll share a simple action plan to help you start taking care of your legs now. Don't miss it. Subscribe to the channel and stay with us until the end to ensure your best quality of life. Maintaining leg health is essential to ensure mobility and quality of life, especially as we age. Food plays a crucial role in this aspect, providing essential nutrients that strengthen muscles and bones. Below, we highlight 3 foods that can significantly contribute to restoring and maintaining the health of your legs. 1. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutritious and beneficial vegetables for leg health. Rich in iron, this mineral is essential for the production of hemoglobin, a protein present in red blood cells that transports oxygen to the muscles. With a good oxygen supply, the leg muscles work better, reducing the feeling of fatigue and increasing resistance for daily activities, such as walking, climbing stairs, and standing for prolonged periods. In addition to iron, spinach also contains magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals essential for muscle contraction and relaxation. Deficiency of these nutrients can cause cramps, pain, and weakness in the legs, common problems among the elderly. Regular consumption of spinach can help prevent these occurrences, ensuring more efficient muscle function and providing greater comfort and well-being. Another important nutrient present in spinach is vitamin K, essential for bone health. This vitamin plays a key role in fixing calcium in bones, helping to prevent osteoporosis and loss of bone mass, conditions that can increase the risk of fractures and seriously affect mobility. For those who already suffer from bone fragility, including foods rich in vitamin K in their diet can be a natural way to strengthen bones and reduce the risks associated with falls and impacts. In addition to benefiting muscles and bones, spinach is an excellent source of antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds help fight damage caused by free radicals in the body, slowing down the cellular aging process and protecting muscle and bone tissues against premature wear. Frequent consumption of foods rich in antioxidants helps maintain leg strength and vitality for longer. Spinach is a versatile food and can be included in your diet in different ways. It can be eaten raw in salads, steamed, sautéed with olive oil, or incorporated into soups and juices. Combining spinach with other sources of vitamin C, such as orange and lemon, can enhance the absorption of iron by the body, ensuring even more health benefits. 2. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, something that becomes even more important as we age. Over the years, loss of muscle mass becomes a common problem among the elderly. Weakness in the legs is a consequence of this loss, which can make it difficult to perform everyday tasks, such as walking, getting up from a chair, or carrying objects. Consuming eggs regularly can be a simple and effective way to preserve muscle strength, preventing the loss of muscle mass and, consequently, keeping your legs stronger and healthier. Egg protein is rich in essential amino acids that help with muscle recovery and strengthening, making it an excellent ally for those looking to improve leg health. Eggs also contain an amino acid called leucine, which plays a vital role in stimulating protein synthesis. Leucine helps the body build and maintain strong muscles, which is crucial for leg health. When leg muscles are well developed and firm, they are better able to support body weight, improve posture, and provide better balance, which is especially important for older people who often face challenges with coordination and balance. Additionally, leucine is also important for slowing muscle loss, which naturally occurs with aging. By consuming eggs, you can help your body keep its muscles active and strong, reducing the risk of leg weakness and preventing falls. In addition to protein and leucine, eggs are also rich in vitamin D, an essential nutrient for the body. Vitamin D is crucial in ensuring that the body is able to absorb calcium properly. Calcium is an essential mineral for the formation and maintenance of bones. As we age, calcium absorption may decrease, which can lead to weakening of bones and an increased risk of fractures. Calcium deficiency is associated with conditions such as osteoporosis, which weakens bones and makes falls more dangerous. Consuming eggs regularly can help maintain adequate vitamin D levels, which in turn promotes calcium absorption and contributes to stronger, healthier bones. This is essential to ensure that the bones in the legs remain strong and can withstand daily activities without the risk of fractures. Another important component found in eggs is choline. Choline plays a crucial role in communication between nerves and muscles. It helps ensure that signals sent by the brain reach the leg muscles correctly, which is essential for motor coordination. Choline can also improve reflexes, agility, and muscular responsiveness, which reduces the risk of falls and accidents. For older adults, maintaining good communication between nerves and muscles is vital to preserving mobility and balance. Choline deficiency can affect this communication and make movements slower and uncoordinated, increasing the chances of falls. Therefore, consuming eggs can be an effective way to ensure that the body has adequate amounts of choline, helping to maintain mobility and safety in daily activities. Now that you know how nutrition can improve the health of your legs, at the end of this video I will reveal an easy and effective plan so you can start incorporating these changes into your routine immediately. But first, keep watching to understand how these specific foods make all the difference in muscle and bone strengthening. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the tips that will transform your health. 3. Salmon. Salmon is an incredible food for leg health due to its high omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3 is a healthy fat that is essential for the body, but which we cannot produce on our own. This nutrient has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce pain, swelling, and inflammation in the legs. This effect is especially important for people who suffer from circulatory problems or joint diseases such as arthritis, which are common in older people. Chronic inflammation in muscles and joints can make it difficult to move your legs, cause discomfort, and even limit your ability to perform simple activities such as walking or climbing stairs. By consuming salmon regularly, you can combat this inflammation and get significant relief, making it easier to move around. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for strengthening and repairing muscles. For leg health, keeping your muscles strong is essential as they are responsible for the body's stability. Well-developed muscles help prevent falls, offer more balance, and allow greater independence in daily activities. As we age, it is normal for muscle mass to decrease, which can affect our ability to maintain posture and perform movements with agility. By consuming foods rich in protein, such as salmon, it is possible to slow down this process and keep the leg muscles strong and functional, which contributes to a better quality of life and more autonomy. Salmon is also an excellent source of vitamin D, which plays a key role in bone health. Vitamin D, along with calcium, helps keep bones strong and healthy. As we age, our bones tend to lose density, which can increase the risk of fractures, especially in the case of falls. For the elderly, this bone fragility can be a serious problem, as a fracture can lead to health complications. The vitamin D present in salmon can help prevent the loss of bone density, contributing to bone health and reducing the risk of fractures. Keeping your bones strong and resilient is essential to ensure you can continue to carry out your daily activities safely and confidently. Another benefit of salmon is the presence of astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight oxidative stress in cells. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, which can lead to premature aging of cells and weakening of muscles and bones. The astaxanthin present in salmon helps neutralize free radicals, protecting cells against damage and delaying tissue aging. This antioxidant effect can contribute to maintaining leg health for longer, helping to preserve muscle and bone function and ensuring greater mobility and comfort. Salmon is a versatile food that can be prepared in different ways, which makes it easy to include in your daily diet. You can grill, bake, or cook salmon in a variety of ways, creating tasty and nutritious meals. It pairs well with a variety of side dishes, such as fresh vegetables, brown rice and potatoes, making the meal even more balanced and delicious. Including salmon in your diet can be a simple and efficient way to guarantee the nutrients necessary for leg health and, at the same time, enjoy tasty and nutritious dishes. By maintaining a balanced diet, which includes foods like salmon, you can make a big difference in the health of your legs. Regularly eating foods rich in omega-3s, high-quality proteins, vitamin D and antioxidants can help reduce leg pain, improve blood circulation, strengthen muscles and bones, and increase your mobility. This means that, with the right diet, you will be able to enjoy life with more energy and fewer limitations. Taking care of your legs not only means avoiding problems, but also ensuring that you have a good quality of life, more independence, and well-being in your daily life. In addition to salmon, other foods such as spinach and eggs can also contribute to the health of your legs. By including a variety of nutritious foods in your diet, you will be making a great investment in your leg health and overall well-being. Maintaining a healthy, balanced diet is one of the best steps to ensuring that your legs remain strong, healthy, and pain-free, allowing you to enjoy life to the fullest for much longer. Taking care of your leg health is essential to ensure you can continue to move with ease, avoid pain, and maintain your independence in everyday life. Best of all, you can start improving your leg health without leaving home. Nutrition, combined with simple and effective habits, can make a big difference in your quality of life. In the action plan below, we'll show you how you can integrate easy changes into your routine, with simple activities and foods that will strengthen your muscles and bones, all without having to leave the comfort of your home. If you follow this plan consistently, you will see major improvements in your health and mobility. Action plan for the health of your legs. Incorporate powerful foods into your diet. The first step is to make food choices that help strengthen your legs. Foods like spinach, eggs, and salmon are rich in nutrients essential for muscle and bone health. Spinach is great for fighting muscle fatigue, while eggs help preserve muscle strength, and the vitamin D in salmon is essential for strong bones. Consume these options daily, in a simple way, whether in salads, stews, omelets, or grilled. Remember to also include foods rich in vitamin C to help with the absorption of iron and other nutrients. Exercises to strengthen your legs. You don't need to leave the house to keep your legs strong. Performing simple exercises at home can make a huge difference. Start with walks indoors, up and down stairs if possible, or just walking around the house. If you have a stable chair, try getting up and sitting down several times a day to strengthen your thighs and improve joint mobility. You can also perform stretches to improve flexibility and prevent cramps, focusing especially on the leg muscles. Stay hydrated and rest well. Hydration is essential for the health of your legs, as it helps with blood circulation and muscle function. Drink water throughout the day to ensure your muscles are working well. Furthermore, adequate rest is essential for the recovery of muscles and joints. Sleep well every night and avoid standing or sitting for a long time. Try getting up and going for a short walk or stretch every 30 minutes. Practice leg massages. One way to relieve tension and improve circulation is by performing simple leg massages. You can do this while sitting or lying down, using your hands or a moisturizer. Use circular movements on your thighs, calves, and ankles to stimulate blood circulation and reduce swelling. This can be done every day for at least 10 minutes and will help keep your legs light and pain-free. Control mental health. Mental health also directly impacts physical well-being. Anxiety and stress can worsen muscle and joint problems. Practice activities that promote relaxation, such as reading, listening to music, meditating, or even doing simple entertainment activities at home. Keeping your mind calm also helps reduce the perception of pain and discomfort in your legs. Track your progress. Keep a health diary where you can record your physical activities, diet, and how you are feeling. This will help you understand the evolution of your well-being and identify areas that need more attention. Don't worry about doing everything perfectly. The important thing is to maintain consistency. This action plan is simple, accessible, and can be done directly in your home. By following these guidelines, you will be making a big change in the health of your legs without having to leave home. Start right now and feel the difference in your quality of life. Are you ready to finally have stronger, pain-free, and more mobile legs? By following our action plan, you will be able to transform your eating routine and the health of your legs in a simple and effective way. So, don't miss the chance to change your quality of life. Subscribe to the channel and put these tips into practice right now.